As a part of the hackathon, what we want to do is that we want them to think out of the box, think about newer technologies, what's happening in the world, interact with the different people who is in other projects, and come up with newer ideas which would enhance their career as well as the GlobalLogic's prospect.
I'm very excited.
Right now we are having a mixture of excitement, anxiety.
We are implementing our ideas, so till now it is going good, and we are hoping for better results.
It's a journey of innovation. It's a journey to ensure our employees are constantly pushing the boundaries, and it's something which gets imbibed as part of our DNA.
We always think about we have this idea, we implement, and the market will rock. So here the opportunity to everyone to present their idea.
We have this beautiful concept of design-led engineering, right? So we have that great mix of design by method and engineering with GlobalLogic, and when you put them together, magic happens.
To be honest, Arun, I've seen all these guys and they are totally enthusiastic. In fact, there were so many entries that we had to shortlist and make sure we had the good entries, which comes under our theme for the hackathon as well.
So to the teams, for those who have done it before, you don't really need to cheer them up because the previous event would have taken care of that. For the people who are joining for the first time, put in whatever you can. This is an experience you will cherish for many, many years. You know, these are stories you will grow up and be able to recollect that you created and came up with an idea which was fantastic, which was actually taken up by the organization and taken back into the field. And these are moments which will give you that pride of building and creating something.